Most people complain about traffic, but on these roads, traffic is the least of your worries. We're talking about paths where there are no guardrails, no second chances. Today we're looking at the 3 deadliest paths on Earth. At number 3. The North Yungas Road in Bolivia. Locals call it the Road of Death, because it claims nearly 300 lives every single year. It's a narrow, single-lane track, carved into the side of a mountain, with a sheer 2,000-foot drop and 0 guardrails. Add heavy fog, rain, and loose gravel to the mix, and you have a recipe for a vertical nightmare. One slip of the tire, and you're not just off the road, you're history. Number 2 isn't even a road, it's a row of rotting wooden planks. Bolted to a vertical cliff in China, it's barely a foot wide. Thousands of feet of empty air. Your only safety is a rusty harness and a chain bolted into the rock. People do this for fun, but when the wind starts howling and your hands start sweating, the fun ends real quick. It's widely considered the most dangerous hike in the world. Finally, at number 1, the Zoji La Pass. Located 11,000 feet up in the Himalayas. This isn't just a road, it's a death sentence during a storm. It's incredibly narrow, constantly hit by landslides, and has absolutely no protection from the abyss below. Imagine driving a 20-ton truck on crumbling dirt, while a blizzard blinds your vision. Thousands of vehicles have disappeared into these canyons, never to be seen again. This is where the earth ends and the afterlife begins.